Welcome to today's video. So we've got an awesome method for making money online that we're looking at today. If we set this up correctly, it can become a passive income. Now very quickly, let me jump over into the slides I've prepared for you. So these are the slides. You can earn up to, it says you can earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home, and we'll come back to that number in a little bit. And the website I'm going to share with you today is being featured in all the big places. We've got Entrepreneur, Huffington Post, Inc., NASDAQ, and many more. So I'll share with you the website, I'll share with you the possibilities of this, and then I'll also share with you the drawbacks to this, and I'll also give you some alternatives. But ultimately, with this whole method we're looking at today, you don't need any money, you don't need any technical skills, and you do not have to spend a lot of time on this to, get this set up and up and running. Now, please watch the video till the end, because by the end of the video, I'll share with you how you can automate this whole method. I'll share with you how you can actually earn more money with essentially the same concept, and I'll also share with you some top tips on this method, and I'll just walk you through this process from start to finish. So, let me jump over here. So let's jump over onto the website we're looking at today, and then I'll share with you some other alternatives. Now, this is a website, and I shared this in the past, probably about a year ago actually, and it's called Studypool. And you can see on here, look, earn money answering homework questions, earn up to $7,500 monthly, working from home, tutoring students. Now, don't worry, we're not going to be spending lots of time on this. Now, over here we can see we've got all subjects, and you can go into any one of these. We've got business, humanities, mathematics, etc., etc. Now, the way it works over on this website here is if I scroll down here, look, you can sign up as a tutor on Studypool, and then they've got some key features on here. So basically, they take a 20% cut of how much money you make, reliable income, full freedom, and flexibility. It may not be, and we'll come back to that. So there's a number of ways you can earn money over on this platform. One of the simplest ones is if I scroll down here, you can see this here. So recent questions. So users on this platform, they ask a question, and you can see on here, they put a monetary value next to this. So if you have any knowledge or, skills or experience in any of these on here, so look, looking for someone to take nice photos for a magazine, $3. I don't really know how you'd answer that question. And then we've got some on here, microcomputer applications. If microcomputer applications are your thing, you can answer this and earn $6. And we've got, lots more on here. So maths questions, I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that one is. And we've got, look, other questions on here. So people asking questions, and, if you've got the knowledge, you can answer it and you can earn money. Pretty straightforward, I think you'll agree. Now, if I come up here, let's just go back to the home page. So I'll show you this. Now, there's a number of ways you can earn. You can answer questions. You can become somebody's tutor. And if we come up here to educators, there's a portal and a summit on here. And then we've also got this study tools. So these are a number of ways that you can basically earn on this website. We've got Q&As on here. We've got video tutoring. We've got in-person tutoring, and also scholarships. So the idea is, the concept is, you sign up to this website for free as a tutor, and then you can start answering questions and earn money, and you can also offer your skills and knowledge and then earn money via tutoring or in-person tutoring, okay? The problem you have with a website like this, and many more in this whole, education online, is if I scroll down here, I'll share this with you. So look, this one here. Studypool only works with the highest quality tutors. Our tutors are vetted for subject expertise and hold degrees such as bachelor's, master, and PhDs. Many of our tutors are affiliated with top-tier educational institutions. And it's the same on other websites like VIP Kids, and there's hundreds of these whereby you can sign up as a tutor. Now, the problem you have with this method here is, if you're doing, one-to-one tutoring, you're going to be spending a lot of time on this. It's not really time freedom, because you can set when you're able to work, but you're still going to be, at your laptop or your iPhone and having to work. Now, there are a number of ways around this whereby you can still earn money from your knowledge and experience on a number of different platforms. Now, I do this myself. So let me share let me share with you some proof, okay? So first of all, you can see here, I'm going to blank some of this out, obviously. You can see here, in the last week, I've earned just under $600 from some of my own courses. Okay, this is on one platform, and basically, what is this from? So I have a YouTube course where I teach people how to make money on this platform without being on camera, without having to speak, and ultimately how to make basically the whole concept of earning online with YouTube. And this is what, oh no, this is not what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside of the course. So you can see here, this is everything inside of my course. So I've done the work previously for this course, and people are buying this, and it's all automated. So I've done the work previously, and I'm not having to do anything to this. Now, obviously, I update this. So you can see we've got updates down here, and basically, I'm updating the course periodically, but I'm not active on this, and I'm still earning a passive income from this. Now, there are a number of websites whereby you can create an online course for free and be earning money. And, I'll share with you some examples. So you see this one over here. This is called DIY.org. Now, the awesome thing about this is you don't need a bachelor's or a degree or anything. This here, we can see this is the social learning app for kids. Now, this is great, by the way. I've got a membership to this for my son, and we can see that we've got all of these different things down here. So coding, cooking, art, drawing, design, etc. Okay, and if we scroll down here, we can see it's available in 170 plus countries, etc. Now, if we scroll down here, works in a very similar fashion. So let me come right down to the bottom, and we are going to click on, not this one here, partner with DIY. And it's exactly the same. So look, inspire creativity, inspire kids, and you earn money. And it works in the same way as this course that I've created previously over here. You can partner up with companies like this DIY.org, and it walks through everything on this page here, and you can basically create a course or teach. So personally, I would say create a course, join the community, and you start earning. And you can see here, look, get paid for every course you create or workshop you conduct. We offer several options. You also earn extra for every kid that engages with your content. Now, inside of here, look, you've got examples of this and how people are doing this. And if I just click on explore categories, we've got people on here. My son was watching a course the other day about drawing and doing sketches on there. There's artists on here. There's people teaching. There's Roblox. There's gaming on here. I mean, look at this one here. How to paint. What is this? How to make your own cartoons. Reading the right way. Hip hop dancing. And basically, people have done the work previously, and they've uploaded that content onto. They've uploaded the content onto this website, and every time somebody watches a video, they earn money. Now, I said to you at the beginning of the video, I'd share with you how you can, automate this and make more money. Well, here's the cool thing. Let's say you sign up to a website like DIY.org and you upload a course. And when you're creating a course, there are a number of ways you can do this. You can do it to the camera like I'm doing here. You can do a video, basically a video where you're recording your screen. And you can also, you can use things like this where you're using software. And there's lots of different ways you could do this. But what you can do is once you've created a course on one of these platforms here, like this DIY.org, guess what? You can then take that same course, make a few different edits to this, and you could put that onto another platform. So you could take that course and you could put it on a platform like udemy.com. And I am a teacher on, I have courses on Udemy. And guess what? I also have the same course that is on Udemy. I have then put that onto another platform, which is this one over here. And this one is called SkillShare. So if I quickly log in here, I'll show you this one. We can see, let me just get rid of this. Let me continue. I'll log in here really quickly so you can see this, because ultimately what I'm always talking to you on this channel about is, building up assets or passive incomes basically from doing the work one time. Whether we're looking at YouTube, whether we're looking at affiliate marketing, or indeed looking at these courses on here. Now, you can see I've got different courses I've been through. Let me just go over here. So let me go to teach. And we'll go to your teacher stats, because I have not done anything with Skillshare for a year, probably longer to be honest. Yet you can see I've still earned over $2,500. We've had 1,300 students on this, and you can see on here, look, April earnings. This is roughly how much I'm expected to earn. and we can come down here, and basically how it works on Skillshare is you get paid for the number of minutes that people are watching your courses. So you can see on here we have some days where it jumps up, some days where it goes down, and then we've got a jump up, and then here we had a lot of minutes, didn't we? So this is great for us. Now the other thing what you can do is, and I'll drop a link to Skillshare below for you, you can check this out completely for free, and basically you can go ahead and have a look at how other people are doing this. If I click on browse, you can go into all of these different categories, or you can go into all classes and just have a look, see how people are doing their courses, how they're teaching in this method over here, and you can basically go through, have a look at this, and then put your own twist on this, and then upload that course. And you can see on here, I mean, blimey, look at this one, 24,000 students in, what is this? Do things and tell people. I don't even know what that would be. We've got popular marketing classes, look, social media content, we've got this one over here, this one. And the thing is, with your courses, over on platforms like Skillshare or this DIY.org, they don't have to be, a 200-hour course. A lot of the courses, especially on this platform and also over on Skillshare, they prefer them to be shorter. So you can see here, look, 1 hour, 8 minutes, 48 minutes. Come down here, look, 1 hour. This one here is a bit longer. Come down here, 52 minutes, 34 minutes. So these shorter courses tend to do well. And as I've mentioned, if you've got one course, why not put it on multiple platforms and be earning money? So yeah, so that is today's video. That is how you can go ahead and start earning, essentially a passive income from the work you have done one time. So I will drop links to everything down below for you. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.